Hello guys, everyone, welcome back to my channel, Team Adventures. So guys, today is the next Founding in the Park with the Trinidad and Tobago reunion, 63rd Independence Day reunion in Beachley Park again. You know, we did a lot of reunion for the past couple of weeks. So last week was Albion, so this week is Trinidad and Tobago, 63rd annual Independence Day reunion in Beachley Park again. And thank you for watching guys, thank you for all the support. So the weather is not, it started getting a little chill, but it's not too bad, it is nice. The sun is out early, but it's went down, so it should come back out soon. So hopefully we have some good fun in the park today with Trinidad and Tobago reunion. Alright guys, thank you for watching again, thank you for all the support. So join me this adventure today in Beachley Park, Trinidad and Tobago, 63rd annual Independence Day reunion. Alright guys, thanks again.
Our mother country, and I would like to let you know that the program will officially start with the national anthem of the two countries, but that will be in half an hour. In the meantime, we'll have some light singing by some great prominent singers from the community. And is the first singer ready? Our first singer, he comes from Guyana, and he's going to bring greetings from Guyana to the beautiful people of Trinidad and Tobago. His name is Mr. Jabbar Mohammed. So let's put our hands together and encourage him as he walks to the microphone. Mr. Jabbar Mohammed.
It's so nice for us all to be here. I do hope and pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bless all of us for being here, and we hope that we'll have a wonderful evening, inshallah. And at this time I will try to sing this beautiful song, Ishwar Allah Tere Naam Sabko Sarmat De Bhagwan. He said whether we say Allah or Bhagwan or Ishwar, it means the same thing. We are all one people and we live together. Thank you. So please listen to this song. Okay, like one.
प्यार की गलियां बागों की कलियां सब रंग रलियां सोच रही हैं प्यार की गलियां बागों की कलियां सब रंग रलियां पूछ रही है दफन गटते किस दिन मस्तानी कब आएंगी तू बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएंगी तू चलिया तू चलिया दिल के पास है दिल के तू आएगी तू चलिया तू चलिया है भरोसा आशिक दिल का और भी आ गया तो बहुत पछताएगी तू मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएंगी तू आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएंगी तू बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएंगी तू चलिया तू चलिया मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएंगी तू आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएंगी तू बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएंगी तू चलिया आ तू चलिया चलिया तू चलिया चलिया आ तू चलिया चलिया आ तू चलिया थैंक यू
Hey, go ahead.
This is our 63rd independence celebration of Trinidad and Tobago. I'm the president of the Trinidadian This is the fourth year that we are celebrating Trinidad independence and independence. We are great support from our community, Trinidad community, members from Jamaica, all over the Caribbean and the world. Happy to them, great support and your thanks. We are grateful for this community now.
Alright, good.
My name is Sherry Alfredo. I'm the chairwoman of Community Board 9, the first Trinidadian to chair a community board. I'm very happy to be here with Mr. Anoop. He's one of the greats from Trinidad who really came to this country and came to Queens. And he's one of the first persons to really highlight Trinidad culture to the community, the leaders, the politicians, to everyone everywhere. I'm very happy and proud to be standing with him on this opportunity to be at our 63rd independence. The last two independence I was in Trinidad. But this year I choose to be with the Trinidadian and Tobagonian organization, which is the most respected Trinidad organization in the community of Queens that really speaks about Trinidad culture. Mr. Anoop and his group have been participating in National Night Out, Autism Walk, Easter events. They always giving and contributing and giving back to the community, and they ask nothing in return. So today I'm proud and happy to be standing here with him. And Sherry, who looked like a Trini today.
Sherry,
She qualified.
Remember Sherry.
So I want to thank for this opportunity and happy to be here as a Trinidadian in Queens.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you have no problem.
And go down to the ground. Shake it, baby, shake it, and wind down to the ground. Shake up your whole body and chant it all around. Hey, shake that waist, girl. 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 And wind down to the ground. Shake up your whole body and chant it all around. Shake your body and make it. Hold on, no one to take it. Take control and you shake, 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 shake.
Go ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Sherry, Mama miss you guys.
the program officially
You?
will begin
Nice to meet you
as
guys.
soon as a Consul General is here, which would be in a few minutes. I think he's nearby. So in the meantime, he'll continue with some karaoke music. And right about now, I wish to introduce to the microphone a well-known artist.
Over there, guys, are giving out
from
things to the
Queens
kid.
area.
The school back, the school supply they're giving out over here
Thank you.
to all these small kids.
Okay, so, and I had the privilege to be in the same band with his uncle. Vishnu is one of the outstanding singers in New York, coming out of Trinidad, and he is going to entertain you. And I know you are going to be very, very happy. Right about here, I introduce to you the legendary Mr. Vishnu Gangara. Thank you. Put your hands together and encourage him. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. How many of you from Trinidad and Tobago here? Make some noise, come on. 63rd anniversary. Let's hear it up, come on. And secondly, let's give it up for Mr. Anup Danpat and his group for making this possible here this afternoon for us. My name is Vishnu Gangaram. I am from South Trinidad originally. And it's a pleasure to be here this afternoon to perform for each and every one of you all. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Please sing along with me if you know the songs, if you know the lyrics. If not, get a partner, get on the dance floor, feel free, and enjoy yourself. We're here to have fun, and we're here to enjoy Trinidad and Tobago's Day, 63rd anniversary independence. Come on.
नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए बरसाए हमको तरसाए ऐसा कोई साथी हो ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए तरसाए ऐसा कोई साथी हो ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत जब झूमता है अंबर को प्यासा प्यासा अंबर जब झूमता है सागर को ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत जब झूमता है अंबर को प्यासा प्यासा अंबर जब झूमता है सागर को प्यार में कसने को आह में बसने को दिल मेरा ललचाए कोई तो छू जाए ऐसा कोई साथी हो ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए ठंडे ठंडे झोंके जब बालों को सहलाए की तपती किरणें जब गालों को छू जाए ठंडे ठंडे झोंके जब बालों को सहलाए तपती तपती किरणें जब गालों को छू जाए सांसों की गर्मी को बाह की नरमी को मेरा मन तरसाए ख्वाब जगा जाए ऐसा कोई साथी हो ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए
Come on. Give it up to the DJ. Come on. Make some noise to the DJ here. झमझम करता सावन बूंदों के बांध चलाए सतरंगी बरसातों में जब तन मन भीगा जाए झमझम करता सावन बूंदों के बांध चलाए सतरंगी बरसातों में जब तन मन भीगा जाए प्यार में नहाने को डूब ही जाने को दिल मेरा तर पाए जगा जाए ऐसा कोई साथी हो ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए ला 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 ला. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the DJ here. So we have DJ Ronnie on the inside. Give it up for Mr. Anup Danpat. तुझे मुझसे मिलाया है तुझ पे मर गई तो मुझे जीना आया है वो तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा रात दीवानी जर्द सितारा वो तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा मैं तेरा हो जाऊं खुद कर दे इशारा तेरी खुशबू से टकराऊं मैं हर रात जो आता है मुझे वो ख्वाब तू तेरा मेरा मिलना दस्तूर है तेरे होने से मुझ में नूर है मैंने सुना सा एक आसमां महताब तू ओ करम खुदाया है तुझ मैंने जताया है तुझ पे मर गई तो मुझे जीना आया वो तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा तू रात दीवानी मैं सर्द सितारा वो तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा तेरे बिन मैं जीना गवारा guys having fun, ladies and gentlemen? Make some noise. Come on, let's get some hands up in the air. How many years of independence we're celebrating today? Come on. 63. All right. And this song I am about to do right now is about 63 years old. About. I could be wrong. Mr. Anup is going to correct me. And you know what, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Anup Danpat used to play music for this song. Way back in the band called Niger One Indian Orchestra from DB. And this song dedicated to you, Mr. Anup Danpat and family.
आपका ही तो सबको इंतजार, आपके लिए सब है बेकरार।
Kataga is here.
फिजाए ख्वाबों ने फूलों ने झूलों ने ले झूम के अंगनारिया आए बात आई सारे ज़माने पे मौसम सुहाने पे इस दिल दीवाने पे वीराने सी छाइया आए बात आई Pull up, DJ, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. All right, this next one here. जाने चले जाते हैं कहाँ? Trinidad and Tobago 63 independence, come on. यहाँ से जाने वाले जाने चले जाते हैं कहाँ? कैसे ढूंढे कोई उनको नहीं कदमों के भी निशान। यहाँ से जाने वाले Come on, ladies and gentlemen. जाने हैं वो, जाने हैं वो कौन नगरिया, आए जाए खत न खबरिया, आए जब जब उनकी यादें, आए होठों के फरियादे, जैसे फिर आने वाले जाने चले जाते हैं कहाँ? दुनिया से जाने वाले जाने चले जाते हैं कहाँ? Mr. Open House. मेरे बिछड़े मेरे बिछड़े जीवन साथी, साथी जैसे दीपक बाती, मुझको बिछड़ गए तुम ऐसे ये सावन के जाते जैसे, उड़ के बादल काले काले जाने चले जाते हैं कहाँ? दुनिया से जाने वाले जाने चले जाते हैं कहाँ? कैसे ढूंढे कोई उनको नहीं कदमों के भी निशान। दुनिया से जाने वाले जाने चले। Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. My name is Vishnu Nagaram.
So guys, I have a cricket match going on over there. Guess I get it set ready to get started next innings right now.
Got elected the government on this community board level. To introduce her, I ask you to put your hands together for Sherry Alvarado. Thank you.
Hi everyone, so happy to be here. I want to thank Anoop and the Trinidadian and Tobagonian USA Give it up for Mr. Anoop because he put Trinidad on the map in Queens over here. Give it up for him and his organization. Thank you, Anoop. 4 years ago, I was humbly and I was surprisingly elected as the first Trinidadian woman to chair a community board in its history. So I stand very proud because I tell people my Trini accent ain't going nowhere. When I speak, everybody's like, where's she from? But I'm proud because I'm proud of my heritage. I'm proud of where I come from. I'm a proud American citizen, but a proud born Trinidad of a beautiful country in the West Indies. So today I'm so happy to stand here and celebrate our culture. Wherever we go, whether we're in leadership or we're serving or whatever we do, we walk with our culture and we share it very proudly. So today, I'm very happy to be here and celebrate with you guys. The last 2 years I spent independence in Trinidad. This year I'm in New York and there's no place like New York. So I'm so happy to be here and join you guys today. Thank you so much.
over here. You know, backpack with the kids.
Going to be officially started, and I will first of all say thank you for the great turnout. With us today, we have some great surprises, and I want you to enjoy the program because there are some things that you're going to be benefited from, and pay attention. You will enjoy it. So right about now, I'll introduce to you the MC for this afternoon, the first Trinidadian woman to be the chairperson for Community Board in New York. Put your hands together as I introduce to the microphone beautiful, young, talented Sherry Algredo.
Thank you all. Next, me and the Republic, we're gonna play the Trinidad and Tobago national anthem. And everybody here today, regardless what country you come from, you're Trini today right now. So please sing along with the national anthem. Mr. Jerome Ramdula. Put your hands together for one of the best. Thank you.
Good evening, President of the Trinidad and Tobago USA, honorees, distinguished guests, well-wishers and supporters. Consul General asked me to greet you with the greatest warmth and to convey his regret that he would not be here among you on this important occasion. My name is Jerome Ramdula, Vice Consul Immigration, and it's an honor to be here representing our Consul General. It is a real opportunity for me to be here amongst you Trinbagonians. Seeing so many of you in New York fills my heart with a sense of belonging. While we may be thousands of miles away from our beloved shores, our hearts remain tied to the rhythm of our music. The scent of our have infected the world with our music, and our culinary traditions have become global sensations. Independence isn't only about the past or a political statement of sovereignty. It is about building a future together, and that the future depends on each and every one of us, including the diaspora right here in New York. Your connection to us is not just a link about the past, it's a vital link to the future. And I want to encourage each and every one of you, apply for your Trinidad and Tobago passport. No matter the years spent abroad, you are still close to us, and you are even closer. I hold each and every one of you can be a bridge to our brighter future. Think about how we can mentor youths or make business incubators. It's important for our country. With the global changes that's existing, the shifts in norms that's happening, and technological advancements, it has become that we must combine our talents together to make Trinidad and Tobago a prosperous nation. On behalf of the CG, Happy Independence Day to each and every one of you. May God bless our nation, and may God bless each and every one of you. Thank you.
So, Mr. Jerome, we're going to ask you to stay here right now.
As you heard from the amount of work that you do for us, we congratulate you and we hope your work will continue. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this. I really appreciate that. I must give a special thanks to my family. I've uprooted them from their safe zone in Trinidad and Tobago, and they've been very, very supportive to me on this tour as an immigration officer. Thank you all very, very much again.
Oregonians, USA. I must say thank you guys very much. I do appreciate this award here tonight. It's a great surprise. And being a member, past member, I had lots of fun with the members. And I hope that everybody continue to support this organization. Thank you.
What's going on, guys? We are here at the Independence Day celebration for Trinidad and just a reunion, right? Such a beautiful environment. We are in Baisley Park, which is like at the epicenter of such a big West Indian community. And this is my third year coming to a celebration like this with my good friend Sherry. We're both of us are not
Sherry in your house.
However, today I think at heart we stand in solidarity with the Trinidadian community for all the contributions they've made to New York City. So shout out to Trinidad, shout out to the Trinidadian community, and hopefully you guys continue to come together like this for many, many more years.
Right, right.
Thank you.
Yeah, right, okay.
here with us? Mr. Japnit? Mr. Japnit? Kapil and Sangeeta? Kapil and Sangeeta? Can you join us? Alison, can you join us, please? No, we love you. We want you here. All right. Take plenty pictures. Mr. Noel Brown? Do not hear.
Alright guys, so we gonna end the video here. They're coming to a close, going to 7 o'clock. So happy 63rd Independence Day to Trinidad and Tobago. To all my Trinidadian friends and family for my video. Thank you for watching. Happy 63rd Independence Day again. To Trinidad and Tobago from Team Era Adventure. Hope you enjoyed this video guys. Big up to Trinidad and Tobago. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun. See you back in the next adventures. Alright? Thank you so much again for watching. Support my channel. Like and subscribe please. Kindly like and subscribe. Thank you.